Hi, good evening, sir. Now I will introduce myself to you. I am John Bigilantang. I am 19 years old and I am currently living here in Purok Silangan, Mag-Ata, Tomas Opos. I am the first child of Liza M. Bustamante and Renel G. Gilantang. And now I am here to share my experience and my hobbies to you. My goal in life is to finish school and support my family. I also want to see my mothers see me successful and give them what what they give to us. Uh, I have one sibling, Eternal G. Kilantang, and uh, he is currently living in Agusan del Sur. My hobby now is playing Mobile Legend and other online games. I am also good in playing badminton and volleyball. I am not good in this subject and this course, but I am willing to try my best to learn something new and and try my skill and discover also new things in life because uh, it's true that the journey of college is not easy, uh, and I want to challenge myself also. Number two question is what is my self improvement for this semester? And this semester, this semester, the most vital improvement I must commit to is the transition from passive memorization to active and simulation based visualization. In the study of electrical machine, understanding the physical interaction of magnetic fields and mechanical torque is often abstract. So, therefore, I intend to master software tools like MATLAB Simulink or PSpice to model machine behavior under varying loads. Also, by bridging the gap between theoretical formulas and real-world performance curves, I can develop system thinking mindset. So this shift is crucial because modern engineering isn't just about knowing a motor works in a textbook. It is about predicting failures, optimizing efficiency, and integrating these machines into larger power grids or industrial. So, defending this choice, I believe this technical literacy in simulation is the drastic edge needed in the 2026 job market. So, as industries pivot towards green energy and electrical vehicles, the ability to design the troubleshoot complex electromechanical systems digitally before physical implementation saves times and resources. So, relying solely on manual calculations is no longer sufficient for high level engineering rules. And also, by disciplining myself to validate every classroom concept through digital twin or simulation, uh, I ensure that my knowledge is practical, verifiable, and aligned with the current demands of the global energy sector. Next question is, uh, what is the importance of electrical machine in achieving my goals? So, uh, this subject of electrical machine serves as the foundation pillar for any goal related to power engineering. So, renewable energy or robotics, since roughly 60% of the world's electricity is consumed by motors and all of it is generated by alternators. This subject is the heart of the electrical infrastructure. So, mastering the principles of transformers, DC and AC motors, and generators allows me to understand how energy is convected and controlled. So, without a deep grasp of electromagnetic induction and flux density concepts defined by Maxwell equation is the solution that I would be unable to innovate in fields like sustainable power generation or high-speed rail. So, furthermore, uh, this subject is critical because it teaches the balance between efficiency and sustainability. Also, as I am aimed to contribute to a world with net zero emissions, understanding how to minimize copper and iron losses is machines machine is paramount. So this course that I will take provides the analytical tools to improve power factors. So and reduce energy waste. So which are the primary challenges of modern electrical design. So essentially, electrical machines is not just a requirement for a degree. Also, it is the technical language required to build the hardware that will power the future, making it indispensable for my career as a professional electrical technology. And also a future electrical um, teacher because I want to be a teacher also. So also I learned also about the I learned also the importance of learning and listen to my instructors because it will help my skill most it will help also my skill improve, and I like also to learn new things in life. So I am just Jan Biklangtang, sir. And now, my expectation to you, sir, is uh, you're a good instructor and you're good also in teaching us new things and demonstrate to us the importance of the things of everything in electrical machine, and I am willing also to learn something from you and learn my learn the importance of electrical machine and the parts of it. Also so my primary expectation for you, sir, Mr. Nombrado, is that you will provide a clear practical bridge between abstract electromagnetic theories and real-world applications. So electrical machine involves intricate concepts like density, back EMF, and characteristics. So which can overwhelm without grounded examples. So I look forward to a teaching style that prioritize how and why these machines function. So perhaps though interactive demonstrations or little breakdowns of motor and generator components to ensure we aren't just memorizing formulas but truly understanding the mechanical of power conversion. So uh, I like that the way you teach, sir, and I am willing to learn new things from you, sir. Also, sir, furthermore, I expect a learning environment that encourages critical thinking and hands-on problem solving. So even though I am not good in that thing, I hope that you will teach me and encourage me to learn and enhance my skill more, sir. So, I hope, Mr. Nombrado, that you offer consistent feedback on our analytical work and remains approachable for clarification on difficult topics like transformer efficiency and etc., sir. So, my goal is to leave this classroom with a high level of technical competence and the confidence to troubleshoot electrical system, and also I am eager to see how you expertise will challenge and refine skill and my skill or our skill throughout this semester, sir. So I hope that we will learn new things about this electrical machine, sir. So I am glad that you are our professor in this subject uh, because you are easy to approach and knew uh, how to tackle this subject. So I am just Jamie Kalantang and this is my introduce yourself. Thank you.